Alright guys, hello. After I have tried a couple of different horns, and they make a loud noise, a loud sound, but they're kind of like deep, so the cars, they don't hear me. Okay, I'm gonna try the Denali. Okay, the Denali horn, I measure it, and I think it fits inside the cover, the horn cover. We're gonna see, so we'll give it a try. Alright, they are advertising 113 decibel. We'll see, as long as it's louder than what I have there right now. But the stock horn, it's not good, I can tell you that for sure. Alright, let's put it on. Alright, that's the box, 2 times louder. Okay, and this is the dimensions. The dimensions, they are real because I measured it before I ordered it. Alright, so they call it Soundbomb Mini. Let's give it a try. Alright. I have done this already many times, so, and I have put 2 horns. Look at that, there's another one there, and there's another one there. This is a couple, but you know, you hear it. Hold on, check the alarm. Okay, so it's kind of like, it's loud, but it's like it's not penetrating the car windows. So I'll be riding the bike in the city, and it is sometimes danger. I need a loud horn. I have to disconnect what I have. This is a bridge, so both horns, they are like kind of like activate together. Check it out. You see that? So this beeps the same time with this one. These are the fire planes. We got wildfires every year. Ah boy. Oh boy. Okay, this thing is loud. This is this is seriously loud. Can't believe it. Seriously, this thing is loud. Alright, so alright, let me see what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's go to the bench. Okay, so it comes, it's on brackets here, but what I need is really the nut. Might just put a little bit Loctite. This is the one I used before. Now what they say here is, you see, as the horn is like that, alright, you see this is a little bit different, but anyway, let's say it's like that. Okay, so this is the negative, the black one, and this is the lead, the positive, the way I see it, but it says here 12 volt and V. I have tested the other way around. So you see here, so if I put the horn like that, these things, they're not here, they're like here. You see that? They're like here. So I'm gonna put here the negative and the positive. I give it a try, I give it a test anyway. Look at that. It's about the same size. Yes. Okay. I might have problem to put the leads. See that? Let's see here. I might have to bend them a little bit. Hopefully they're not going to break. I have no choice, I have to put it inside here. Yes, it fits. As long as it won't touch anything on the bike. Okay, you see that? I'm just telling you, if you try this at home, you might break them, but I will take the risk because I have no choice right now. Here, yes, I can compromise that. Let's see now. Yes, this is good. Alright, let me get the Loctite and I'll be back. Maybe this is too much. Okay. Make sure you put blue Loctite so you can take it off. Okay, it's too much a little bit. Let's take it off. It's doing good. Okay. I don't see it's touching anything, it's the same size. Alright, now the idea is make sure it won't touch the surrounding frame. Otherwise the horn will not work correctly. Okay, you see that? It's up in the air. I will tie a little more, and because I have Loctite, I just leave it like that. So just to be sure, I have bent this upwards. Alright, let's put it on the bike. You see, it's a little bit confusing because it's not like that. You see what I'm saying? But if I turn it around like that, I have the negative here that usually is the black, and the positive that is, I can't even see what color it is, but looks like a red something. It's right here, so I'm going to leave it like that. And I will disconnect this one, but I'm going to leave the cable as a backup because we're going to go on a trip just in case this one burns out. So let's see here now. I'm going to put all the way visible and this here. Alright. Okay. Let's give it another try before I tie the bolt. Alright. Alright. Let me get the decibel meter. Alright. Let's give it a try. We have a lot of wind, that's why it's picking up about 50. Alright, let's give it a try. 85. Okay, 85. Alright, let's see this one. Let's see what's going on with this thing here. I think this up is just garbage. 90 approximately. Okay, I can tell you from experience, it doesn't matter these ridiculous things here. That thing is very loud. This is the loudest horn I have ever put. Okay, and compared to the previous ones I have, and forget about the bike. The horn on the bike it's terrible. So when you need this kind of sound to penetrate, you need this kind of sound to penetrate car windows. Or to hear you, I have to admit, I was ready to get the Denali, the Soundbomb, the big one, but it will interfere with the engine, okay, to cooling the engine because that thing goes on the front and it's very big, and I want the engine to get nice airflow here. So this is fine. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And let's give it another one. Very loud. Thanks. Subscribe. More to come.